Happy Monday morning to you. Today is June 29th, 2015. I'm standing on top of my deck behind my house, looking north. In the background, not too far from where we are, you can see the Blue Mountains and the end or beginning of the Appalachian Trail. We have had lots of rain recently, and as you can see, it is lush green. It doesn't get any better than this. We have 2 more months of summer left, and I hope that we continue to get enough rain so everything all around us remains green and beautiful. Yes, it's going to cause me to mow my lawn almost twice a week. This is our back lawn. Those little plants I planted a couple of years ago. This tree I planted on the right side. The purple tree on the left I planted. All these trees next to the house I planted. We have been living here since 1998. It will be 17 years since we moved here. I think it was July 30th, 1998, the day we moved in. Now I'm facing east. The sun is rising, and this is looking east. We have about 1 acre of land all around us. So it's a lot of time consuming to maintain 1 acre of trees and shrubs and flowers and the lawn. I have to go to work now. Good morning to you, and make it a terrific day and rest of the week. Bye for now.